that how to score more than 90 percentile in Elitmus exams. Okay, then there are three sections in the Elitmus exam: quantitative aptitude, logical reasoning and verbal reasoning. There is a negative marking in all the three sections. I am showing a trick how to score more than 90 percentile in the Elitmus exam. First section is a quantitative aptitude. In this sections, if you attempt 0 questions, you can score 40 percentile in the quantitative section. If you attempt 1 questions, you can score 50 percentile in the quantitative section. If you can attempt 2 questions, you can score 60 percentile in the quantitative aptitude section. If you can attempt 3 questions, you can score 75 percentile in the quantitative section. If you can attempt 4 questions, you can score 80 percentile in the quantitative sections. This is all. In quantitative section you can attempt more than 90 percentile if you can attempt 5 questions. We move on the next section. The next section is logical reasoning. In this section, if you can attempt 2 questions, you can score 40 percentile in the logical reasoning section. If you can attempt 3 questions, you can score 50 percentile in the logical reasoning. If you can attempt 4 questions, you can score 55 percentile in the logical reasoning section. If you can attempt 5 questions, you can score 80 percentile in the logical reasoning section. Then we move on the next section. Our next section is verbal reasoning. In verbal reasoning, if you can attempt 2 questions, you can score 20 percentile. If you can attempt 6 questions, you can score 60 percentile in the verbal reasoning section. If you can attempt 9 questions, you can score 85 percentile in the verbal reasoning section. If you can attempt 10 questions, you can score 90 percentile in the verbal reasoning sections. As a conclusion of this video, I can say that you can score more percentile through this my trick. You can also choose the right option. There are 4 options available for each questions. So choose always right option, because there is a negative marking on all the 3 sections. Thank you for seeing my video.